Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Your phone exposes a Fingerprint API and a secure enclave so templates never leave hardware. Once verified, make sure you have admin access, the correct app, and a clean, dry finger. Begin enrollment immediately. Open the scanner app, tap Enroll, and place different parts of your finger on the sensor as prompted. Move slowly and lift between prompts. This ensures the algorithm captures multiple ridge angles. This first pass creates the baseline template, stored only in secure hardware. Once you have the baseline, you continue by enriching the template. Capture 3 to 5 distinct impressions covering center, edges, tip, and base of the finger. Make sure to vary pressure and angle so the matcher learns differences. Pause if the app shows a low-quality score and rescan that frame. Next, bind the fingerprint to an authentication policy, set retry limits, timeout windows, and define a secure fallback PIN or passcode. This combination reduces false rejects and keeps biometric use practical and secure. To finish, verify the scanner in real-world use. Unlock apps, approve transactions, and record success and failure rates so you can tweak sensitivity. Make sure you back up only policy configurations. Biometric templates must remain inside hardware-backed storage by design. If you run into trouble, start simple. Clean the sensor and your finger, then re-enroll the finger exhibiting failures. If problems persist, confirm the device still exposes the secure enclave and that your app has the required permissions. Reissue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.